Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to be seeing an overview of all the features that are available in our software. This is the invoice dashboard where you will get a brief idea about the number of customers, the number of stock items, the invoices that have been created, and the total value of those invoices. Under masters, you can find the stock and the customer details. Under add stock, you can see the list of the stock items that have been created. You can create a new stock item by clicking on add new or use the template. Click on download template, fill the details in the template and upload the template for a bulk creation of stock items. Under add customer, you can directly create the customer or use the template for creating multiple customers in one go. Once you scroll down, you can see all the customers that have been created in our software. Under add others, you have additional charges that would be required for creating an invoice. Under invoice, you can create an invoice or a debit note, credit note. The details that would be required for creating an invoice are auto-populated to the extent possible. For example, you click on the buyer and all the details of the buyer are auto-populated. You input any stock item, the details of the stock item are auto-populated to the extent possible. Similarly, while creating a debit note or a credit note, all you need to do is select the invoice against which the note is being raised, and all the details from the invoice are fetched automatically. Under reports, there are three kinds of reports. Click on report to view all the invoices that have been raised in the software. You can customize the report by selecting the period of your choice or even by selecting a particular customer and clicking on filter. If there is further analysis that needs to be done, you can download this report by clicking on CSV or Excel. These similar features are available for a credit note or a debit note report also. Under outstanding report, you can view the amount that is yet to be received from each of the customers. Under receipt, click on create receipt to input details of amount received from a particular customer. You can select the party and provide the amount against each of the invoices that have been raised against the customer. To view all the receipts, you can click on receipt report. Under settings, you have the profile setup and the invoice settings. Under the profile setup, you can view details of your business. You can view the address details, the contact details, your branch details if any, the bank details that you have input, and the signatory details. Under invoice settings, you can create an invoice series for your invoice and for your credit note, debit note, and also set it as a primary series, which means that this series is the default series. You can also choose your logo, and if you have any export sales, you can choose whether it is an export with payment of IGST or without payment of IGST, and accordingly the tax would be calculated in your invoice along with the declaration that needs to be on the invoice. You can also select whether e-invoice is applicable or not applicable for your business.